The standard exhaust is a bit heavier. You can see there. So there is a bit of a weight saving compared to the standard exhaust. That's 6.4 kilos for the DesignTek. As you can see, the brackets on the DesignTek are much more substantial, much thicker metal than on the standard OEM ones. And although on this particular one the pipe has been replaced with a new flexi hose, it's still in pretty good condition. These are the exhausts fitted with the gundo pack, which are too loud for my liking. So I'm about to fit the DesignTeks, undone the two 13mm bolts that are either side on the bracket, and then undone the clamp just underneath the exhaust that joins onto the catalytic converter. If we just turn around here, you can probably just about see. So the clamps are all undone, the bolts are off, so it's just a case, it should be, of wiggling the pipe to remove it. So the DesignTek box is now on. Just got to tighten up the bolts at the back, but just actually got it onto the car. See the flexi pipe going there, connecting into the cat. So one side done, just need to remove the old exhaust from the other side and then be able to put the DesignTek on that side as well. So the new DesignTek boxes are now fitted. You can just about see them behind the wheel arch there. That's a tick over. I'm just going to rev the car and see what it sounds like now. In summary, I'm really impressed with the DesignTek exhaust. It's very well built, as well as offering a useful weight saving over the standard Porsche system. It's quiet enough at start-up and low revs, as well as when cruising on the motorway, but once you push the car a bit and increase the revs, the sound comes alive. The note from 4,000 to 7,000 is perfect. Still not ridiculously loud, but sufficient to know you're driving a sports car and they're giving it some beans. I bought mine second hand, but even new, they're excellent value for money.